Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the Translator app and you grant permissions. This lets audio and camera inputs work reliably. First, select the source language and then the target language so translations are accurate for context. Once done, choose input mode: voice if you speak, camera for signs, text for typed phrases, conversation for two-way chat. Make sure to set dialect or regional variant to reduce errors. This matters when words differ across countries. Now you're ready to capture your first phrase. You speak clearly into the microphone, pausing between phrases so the app segments sentences correctly. If using camera mode, hold steady, tap to focus and highlight the phrase you want, and watch the OCR convert text on screen. Once the app shows a draft translation, edit words directly to correct names or slang. This improves future suggestions. Also adjust tone or formal verses in formal settings when available. Doing so changes phrasing and helps the translation fit social context. You finalize by sharing or saving the result. Tap share to send text or audio, or add to your phrasebook for repeated use. If you'll be offline, download the language pack ahead of travel so the app works without signal. Once done, test a full conversation. Make sure both parties use the same conversation mode. If audio or recognition fails, check microphone permissions and reduce background noise. Then retry. This simple check fixes most issues quickly and keeps the process smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.